And that means when an adult speak to you, do not speak with an attitude. That's number one. Number two is not got, it's have. Hold on. Doing too many things.
That's the teacher.
Okay, can y'all hear me?
Oh, what you
I can hear you.
Yes,
I can
ma'am.
hear
It's
you.
not got, it's I have.
No, no,
Don't speak with an attitude to me. I'm not coming to you with an attitude. This is how I speak. This is how I speak so you can understand that, oh, she's for real, she's not playing. I don't speak soft like a kitten because that's not me. We all have paper. Let's have paper. I don't do excuses. So don't give them to me unless it's like I'm dead or I'm in the hospital and I visualize. I'm sorry. Everybody need to have some paper and a pencil. Excuses, don't do them. We all have paper, we all have pencils, okay? So with that being said, let's start with our vocabulary. Today's date is Monday, September 21st, 2020. Title your page. Unit 1 vocabulary. There we go. Can y'all read it in cursive writing? Because I was told y'all know how. Can y'all read in cursive writing? Thank you, Emma. Emma speaking for the group. I'm going to take Emma for speaking for the group. Can you read that? I'm taking Holland and Emma for speaking for the group. Can you read in cursive writing?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there it is. I got more yays and nays. Here we go. Cursive. Unit 1. Vocabulary. vocabulary. And my words do go up a hill. Write it down, Holland. You're not writing, baby. Unit 1 vocabulary. Once I get 3 thumbs up that they're finished, they're moving on. When I get 3 thumbs up that you're finished writing, I'm moving on. Now, you do not have to write in cursive because maybe writing in cursive for you is a little slower. If print is faster for you, then, okay, do with the print. But if cursive is like, hey, I really can't do that real fast, go with print. If cursive is faster, go with cursive. As long as you can read it later. I've seen 2 thumbs up. All right, there it is. That's number 3, number 4. Here we go. First word is equation. I'm writing this in print.
Right, equation.
E-Q-U-A-T-I-O-N. Equation. Can someone tell me what is an equation? What's an equation?
A problem.
Unmute yourself to talk to me. What's an equation?
A problem.
Unmute yourself to talk to me.
A problem.
What is an equation? Anyone?
Fortune's answered twice, and he said a problem.
A problem.
Doing pretty good, so I haven't spoken with it.
Ms. Adams, I'm not sure if you're hearing, but Fortune's answered twice, and he has said a problem.
Y'all know I'm sorry. Apologize.
Maybe it's going on with it, but
I got y'all muted and I can't hear.
Okay, Fortune's answered twice, and he has said a problem.
It's a problem.
That's what Fortune has said for equation. Okay, Fortune's answered twice.
have a nursery business at the house. Big man, big boy.
Equation.
I'll figure it out. Something may go down. That's what I'm talking about.
You're right in the neighborhood.
I don't blame you, 'cause you know,
Guys, if you've got TV or radio or something going on in the room with you, mute yourself until you need to answer a problem or a question, please. That way everybody can kind of focus. But if you've got something going on in the room with you until Ms. Adams asks you a question, just mute yourself for a second, okay? Thank you.
Okay, an equation. An equation is a numerical or algebraic sentence that shows that two quantities are equal. And an equation is a problem, in other words. It is a problem. Can someone give me an example of a numerical sentence?
Math problem. A math problem.
Give me one.
5 times 5.
Hmm?
5 times 5.
Thank you. So it's a numerical sentence that shows that two quantities are equal.
Ms. Adams,
Ma'am?
you have a really bad echo feedback that's blurring everything you're saying.
Can you hear me now? Is it echoing?
No, ma'am, that's clear.
Okay, because I can't hear y'all now.
Well, you're on the screen twice, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it.
No, ma'am, that's clear.
You may just have to keep it muted until you ask a question and then unmute everybody.
It's from my YouTube.
Okay. Because it's
Can
feeding
y'all
over
hear
into-
my YouTube?
I don't hear any feedback now.
Do you hear my YouTube?
No.
Okay. So that's an equation, that's a numerical sentence. This is a numerical sentence. What can show two quantities are equal? What can be equal to 5 times 5?
25. 25.
Look, you can't write that big, man. You gotta be able to write your whole name.
But 25 times 1, is that not the same as 5 times 5?
Yes.
It is, because 5 times 5 is 25 equals 25 times 1 is 25. Correct. Are there any questions thus far? algebraic sentence. We'll go over that in a little bit. Okay? Moving on. Can I change this? Next word. Variable. Can somebody tell me what's a variable? What is a variable? The words I'm giving you are words you should be familiar with from last year. And I'm not speaking of March of last year.
It's a letter you use in the math sentence.
It's a what?
A letter you use in the math sentence.
All right, very good. It is a symbol. Symbol, usually a letter.
Yeah, write it down now. Look, the E upside down.
So click on the T.
Very good deal, yeah. You got A, you gotta have a line like this. You watch your line now. We do this. You can do too much places. Are you eating? Yeah, that's about name of fun.
Oh, that's what it is.
Look how we read these rules on the paper. Right the same way it wrote on the paper.
Okay. So a variable is a symbol, usually a letter that stands in for an unknown numerical value in an equation. Can someone give me an equation that has a letter that stands in for an unknown value, numerical value?
It is. Do it. That's plus 2 liters.
Air.
That's all right.
What is he saying, Fortune? Tell us. Holland, you know one? You want to try?
Guys, go ahead and try. It's okay to try. You can learn by trying. Throw something out there. That's better than sitting there.
X,
What you say, X?
X,
Yeah.
Okay. X.
Y.
Hmm. I need an equation. I have X. What's the operation? What's the operation?
Oh, I didn't see it. No, I didn't see that. Well, at Home Depot. I'm growing up that day.
What's the operation?
plus,
Plus. Okay.
You know what they are?
What's another variable?
If you don't
Oh, Huh?
Y.
You want to do Y? What's the answer? No, what's the answer?
15.
15. Love it. Love it. X plus Y equals 15. I'm loving it. So guess what? If we were to solve this, we need to find out what is X and what is Y. What's the possible choices for X and what's the possible choices for Y?
10 and 5.
Ten and 5. Okay. That's one possible choice. This could be 10. Or this could be 10. 5.
Or 11.
Or 11.
7 and 8.
I got, okay.
8 and 7.
You say?
8 and 7.
8 and 7. Thank you. Okay, there go 7 and 8 or 8 and 7. Inverse.
You can't, you don't want to see them like,
Give me one more.
you can't look like, hey,
L plus 2 equals
Give me
3.
one more.
L plus 2 equals 30.
Pardon me?
you're not running.
L plus 2 equals 30.
No, I'm on X plus Y equals 15. I'm on X plus Y equals 15.
Thirteen and 2.
What you saying, Tavares?
13 and plus 2.
13 and 2.
10 and 5.
Very good. Those are some possible choices. There are more possible choices, but we're not going to go through all of them because you kind of understand. If I was to say 6 times Y equals 30, what's my answer? If I would
5.
say 6 times Y,
5.
correct. Correct, Jonathan. Very good. It'd be 5. Y would be 5. Y would equals 5. So if I plug in 5, 6 times 5 equals 30. Okay. Any questions about variable? Somebody tell me what is a variable. Somebody tell me what is a variable.
It's a letter.
Give me a mathematical full sentence.
It's not simple.
Hey, guys, wake up and look at your
A
notes.
symbol you use in a math problem.
Can you tell me mathematically what is a variable using a complete sentence?
A symbol that is usually a letter.
Repeat, Tavares.
A symbol that used as a letter.
A symbol that's usually a letter. Okay, I would take that. I'll take that, a symbol that's used as a letter, but we know that letter, that symbol stands in the place of a numerical value, okay? I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to keep jumping in front of the screen. People keep coming in. Okay, so
Isaiah, you need to
to-
sit up and uncover your face.
the meat of the matter, and that is the word function. Function. Do anybody have an idea what is a function? Not really. Okay, I'm gonna write the definition down. Function. It is one or more rules that are applied to an input and yields an output. Let's get that down real quick.
Read what that says.
Okay. Have you heard of something called a function table? Use your emoji if you have a thumbs up or a thumbs down or however it is. If you heard of a function table.
No, it's telling me, look. What is this? Where I'm going.
Shanice. Thank you, Tavares. I love it. Like,
The church on Sunday, did you want to come?
He said,
No, I didn't. I said approximately 5.
okay. This is a function table. No writing. No writing. Don't write. Don't write. Just watch. Don't write. Just watch. Okay? Don't write. Just watch. This is a function table. in the middle is your function. And you might see me write something that says fx. That's function. It's just like a vending machine. How many seen a vending machine? Use the vending machine. How many have used the vending machine? Raise your hand if you use the vending machine. Very good. If you use the vending machine. Okay. So, what's your input? What do you put in a vending machine? Unmute yourself, everybody, so I can hear you.
Money.
What do you
Money.
put? Money.
Money.
You put money in a vending machine.
Money.
That's gonna be my input. So I'm gonna put money inside the vending machine. What is the function you do to get your output?
Hello.
Hmm? Hello?
Excuse me.
Yes.
I was trying to see was my baby mic working. This is Jamarcus Burns' mother. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Your mic do work, baby. You must not be speaking up because he had a question. I'm sorry. He was trying to give you an answer to a question, but he thought his mic wasn't working, but you can hear me.
Okay. Jamarcus, you wanna answer?
Jamarcus, you have to make, there you go.
What was the question again?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I forgot, Jamarcus. Okay. We're gonna go on because I forgot. What's an output? What you get out of a machine?
You get an item out of the machine. Okay, Baba say, can I sign in with Google? You get an item out of the machine.
Thank you. Okay, so I get an item out the machine. Okay, so I have money goes in, an item comes out. What's my function to get the item out?
Put in your money.
Number.
What you
You gotta
say,
put
Emma? What you say, Emma?
Put in the numbers.
I can't hear you, baby.
Put in the numbers.
Oh, put in a number. I got you. Press the number for the. That's it. Press the number for the item. Input is money. My function is I'm pressing the number for the item, and my output is my item. So, I'm losing all my little stuff. Okay, we gonna now relate this to math, okay? So, I'm gonna stop here for vocabulary because your next vocabulary words are 3 words, is input, output, and numerical expression. How you gonna get those? You will go on Schoology And you will get your vocabulary words through Schoology, the rest of your vocabulary words through Schoology. Everybody understand? Everybody understand? Thank you. It'll work now. Okay, this has been an interesting thing. Do we need to take a little break? We need to take a little break? Not too passion. Not too passion. If you need to take a break, you get 2 minutes. Not too passion. 2 minutes. Go. Take a little break if you need to take a break. If you have questions for me, talk to me. Awesome, thank you. Ooh, headache, Jesus. Okay.
It's right there. It's right
Can y'all hear me?
Look.
Yes.
You know how to write.
Good morning, Denise. How are you? Denise? You, Denise? Denise?
Yes.
Thanks, you come. Morning. Who else? Jalen, why is it we cannot see you? We see the wall. Jalen needs to fix that. We need to see the Jalen because we're not laying down for school. Awesome, thank you. Need to see your face. Awesome, thank
I
you.
don't know.
The Jalen's not laying down, is he?
Nope, we got him on there now.
Okay. Jamarcus, I think, took a break.
I think he did too. Cedric.
Good, Isaiah?
I haven't seen Cedric in a little
Good.
bit.
What's in San Francisco?
Emma, how you doing? Good. Passion, how you doing?
Good. All right, here we go. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to draw a pattern on your paper. Draw a 6. Draw me a 6-item pattern on your paper. I don't care what you draw. Draw me a 6-item pattern on your paper. That's what I need you to do. Let's go. We have less than 30 seconds.
Fortune, Jamarcus, I need you to mute yourself, please. Fortune and Jamarcus, mute yourself, please. Thank you, Jamarcus. Fortune, can you mute yourself, please? Keep losing somebody.
excuse me. Okay, show me a pattern. Mm. Here we go. Everyone through making a pattern? Everybody's finished making a pattern?
Is your pattern like a chart? Is that what you
Oh,
basically
no.
like? Something like this?
A pattern. No, that's not it. That doesn't say Monday.
No, like just the boxes.
That shouldn't say Monday. We're actually in our paper, on our paper, making a 6-item pattern.
No, she talking about a notebook. I was trying to show an example.
Yeah, they did a pattern on that. Most of them. They say, "We give you the-" they don't work.
Okay, let's see somebody's.
I got a question.
I'm sorry for missing her
Oh,
class.
I got a
that's fine, Mr. Perry. Oh, Perry, I can't see you.
I got a question.
Okay, he has 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4. How many times you had that? Is that 5, 4, or 54?
54.
54.
Yes.
Okay.
And Ms. Adams, Mr. Burns, Jamarcus had a question for you.
Okay.
Okay, so when we doing like this thing, is we doing like what's behind you, like making something like a function table?
No, sir.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
you are doing is you're making a pattern. Let me show you.
Pay attention.
Do you see my pattern?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You gotta make me do a drive-by and find out where you live at. You saying some yell. All right, so if I was to continue my pattern, what's coming next? Mr. Burns?
The circle is coming after that.
The circle gonna come after this?
Yeah, cause you start like if you already did that. Yes, ma'am. Like 'cause if you already did that, you just gonna start it over.
A
Do
triangle?
you agree, everybody agree with Jamarcus?
No.
Do you see something different than Jamarcus?
A triangle?
Okay, Fortune sees a triangle. Do anybody else see anything different than Fortune and Jamarcus?
I said this is gonna come back. Like she said a pattern, and I thought this is gonna come back down here.
A circle?
Okay, you see what Jamarcus see, Holland, okay?
Triangle.
You see a triangle, Emma, okay? Think about a pattern is something that keeps going, that keeps repeating itself, whether it's 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 54, 54, 54, or it's a circle, square, triangle, diamond, circle, square, triangle, diamond, and now I start all over again. Circle, square, triangle, diamond. Do you see
I
it
was
now?
right. So I was right.
No, DeMarcus, you wasn't right. Unfortunately, you said a circle. It goes circle, square, triangle, diamond, circle, square, triangle, diamond, circle, square, triangle, diamond. So how many shapes do I have up here?
4.
Six.
Total.
6.
Total.
6.
Total.
12.
12. Let's see, I heard 12. I know it's more than 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good, 12. 12. So the 12th, the 12th one is a, what shape is that? What shape is that? The 12th one is?
A diamond.
A diamond. So what would be the 16th one? What would be the 16th one? If the 12th one is a diamond, what would be the 16th one?
Rectangle.
You say a rectangle?
Yeah.
Yes,
Diamond.
Somebody said a diamond for the 16th one. Someone says a rectangle for the 16th one. Anybody else?
Diamond.
I heard diamond and rectangle. Anybody else?
Square.
A square. Okay. So let's see. If the 12th is a diamond, so I can say 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The 16th one would be a diamond. That's the 16th one. It would be a diamond. Okay.
Isaiah, you need to be sitting down in class. We've already had our break, buddy. You need to be sitting down at your desk working. We've already had our break, buddy. Thank you.
Now I have on the board can somebody tell me what these numbers have in common? I have 4th, 8th, 6th, 12th, and 16th. What does those numbers have in common?
They're in the 2s.
They're in the 2s. Ah, very good. They are in the 2s. They are multiple. They are multiples of 2s. What else?
All even.
They're all okay. Very good. So they're in my 2s. They're multiples of my 2s. They're all even. What else?
They're equal number.
Well, technically, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I take that. What else? Can somebody else see what does 4th, 8th, 12th, and 16th have in common? It's easy.
They are diamonds.
Yes, they're all diamonds. Very good. What else?
They all have four corners.
Because they're all the same shape. Yes. But what I'm saying is, what does 4th, 8th, 12th, 16th have in common? They're all two. They're multiples of twos. True enough. They're even numbers. True enough. They're all diamonds. True enough. What else?
They all count by 4. Like
Oh,
4,
there you
8,
go.
12,
Very
16.
good. Yes, Jamarcus. Was that not Jamar? That was who was that? That was
Jonathan.
Jonathan, yes. They count by 4s. These are my multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. So it's like 4 times n equals a diamond. 4 times n equals a diamond. Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen because we just talked about numerical patterns or number patterns. That's what we just talked about, number patterns. Very good. We're gonna talk some more about it this week too. So I'm gonna share my screen with you because we're gonna play a little game, okay? We're gonna play a game. Screen. Yay. All right. It went to my all right. There we go. We're gonna play function. What's the function? Okay. Can somebody tell me what's the functions in math? How many functions do we have in math? Can anybody tell me how many functions we have in math? Jalen?
2.
4.
I hear 4, I hear 2.
4.
We have 4. What's the 4? What are they for?
Adding, math, subtracting, dividing.
Adding, math, subtracting, and dividing.
Adding.
Adding, subtracting.
Yup.
Adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing,
There you go. There you go. We're all in school. Yes, we are. Yes, the functions are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Do y'all need to write that down? Do y'all need to write that down? Okay, since no one's saying anything, y'all know how to respond to me. Is either unmute yourself real quick or you want to do a quick thumbs up or wow. It doesn't matter, but y'all not responding to me, so I'm moving on. I cannot read mine. I cannot read mine. I'm moving on. So your 4 functions in math, thank you, Jamarcus. Your 4 functions in math is addition, subtraction, multiplying, and division. We're going to play real quick. What is your function? We're gonna let the computer decide. I put in 45 and I got out 48. What's my function?
So you added 3 to it.
Oh, so somebody said I added 3 to it. Let's see. Is that the function?
You added 4 to it. No, she added.
Huh?
Added 2 to it.
I put in 9, I got out 12. What's my function?
You added 3 to it again.
Okay, so the function is plus 3. Were you right? Great job. Function is plus 3. If we were to put that on our table,
Look, if I was not on it.
If we were to put that on our table, it would look like this. Input 45, output 48. The function or the rule is what? What was the function of the rule?
Adding. Yeah, adding.
What's the function? It's still on the screen.
Adding.
It's on the screen. The
Plus,
function is what?
Add 3.
Plus 3. That's the function, plus 3. Okay, let's try another one. Oh, y'all couldn't see me put this. Oh, yes, y'all could see me put on the board. Oh, good and great. Let's reset the board. Okay, I input 32, I output 30. What do you think the function is?
Subtract.
Give me the whole rule. What do you think it is?
Subtract.
The whole rule. Remember, the function is an operation and a number.
Subtract 2.
Minus 2. Let's see if you're right. 46 go in. 44 come out. So that is a minus 2. The rule is minus 2. Now, this one is for Emma. I don't want anyone else to say anything. Fortune, mute yourself. Donovan, mute yourself. Anybody else is unmuted, mute yourself. Emma, unmute yourself. This one's for you. Now, I put in 32, but I got out 16. Isaiah, get back on the screen.
What we're gonna do is we are gonna group.
I'm gonna do another one.
That we just did into resources.
36
Social
and
services,
18 come out.
and medical. So of the
So
things that we.
what's the rule? What's the function? And the function, no word for function is
the
rule.
resources that they would
What's
need
the rule?
Water, so no food/water. That would be a resource. That's a thing that they would need.
Plus 3.
Somewhere to stay if their house was flooded. Yes, so the people need shelter. That was also one of the ones. And then
That's great.
flashlights. Say it again. Flashlights. Okay, yes. But we're gonna put it kind of goes with it. So when the people are trapped.
Okay. You know what it is, Emma?
Come in with flash out. We're gonna have to research, we're gonna have to find people to come and help us with those 3 things.
Plus 3.
Plus 3. Now, if I put input 32 and I add 3 to 32, I'm gonna get 35. My output is 16.
We're dividing these up so that we can kind of.
Do anybody want to help Emma, Shanice?
Think about all these things that they need, things that you're gonna have to find people to help them with. So this is gonna help us make it easier to then help those people. So
Shanice?
Minus
what?
You're gonna group with a task force and you're gonna be like, all right, you 1, 2, and 3, you're gonna go and help with the research.
Anybody want to help Shanice and Emma?
2 more people. Like you're gonna do the social services. So
There's-
and social is talking with people
What you say?
and finding out what they need. And then the other people.
30 for both of them? It has to work for both.
So they're gonna go.
Can't
and
work
help
for one.
people
Must
that
work
are
for both.
hurt, people that are, kind of not taking it well.
Isaiah?
They're gonna make sure that they get the medical
No?
care that they.
Jonathan?
All right, thumbs up when you've gotten this, we can go to the next.
Okay, if I was to divide by 2 for both of those, that's half. Half of 32 is 16. Half of 36 is 18. It's divided by 2 is the function. All right,
I'll also put
time. Okay, so on your paper, you have,
So these are gonna be.
pull out the page that says, what's Monday. Hold up Monday's page, please, and thank you.
So maybe, they're gonna need help to contact relatives. Maybe they're so shaken up that they need help talking to their relatives. So that's.
Is this page right here?
That they need there.
Is this page right here? That's Monday's page. Everybody hold that page up, get that page out,
Maybe like emergency,
take that page out.
that's some money.
Everybody has it out, thumbs up so I can know before I move on.
They probably need help buying a new car.
Everybody have it out?
Isaiah, sit up.
Ma'am.
And that's gonna be her.
It look like what it show you what it look like.
Okay.
And like things that need to happen like right after.
Miss Adam,
Places
Yes,
that-
dear.
what page you talking about?
The page that says day 1, Monday, 9/21.
Make sure they're.
We got little boxes on it. It said day 1, Monday, 9/21.
That goes to contacting relatives, maybe we need some childcare or help with the children. So that they're not running all over while we're trying to like.
Everybody have their page out? So, okay, here we go, because we're running out of time.
All over and we find the things
Technically,
out,
we're not, but we are.
where you're gonna stay.
Number 6, this is number 6. It is the function of M, input M,
And find the area.
input 6, I get 54 out. I input 7, I get 63 out. I input 8, I get something out. And I input 9, I get 81 out. What's my rule?
The social services, is there anything about contacting relatives?
Can somebody tell me my rule?
Their families, that's.
What does those numbers have in common?
Give me a thumbs up, that's all we're gonna do for that category. Now we're thinking about medical.
What
She's
page
written
is that
down
again?
to do with that one, okay, ladies. Start thinking about the medical,
9.
the medical resources that they're gonna need. From our list that we just did, which ones of those are gonna fall under the medical category?
Excuse me.
I'm listening. No,
What
I
page
ain't-
you said again? What page you said again?
The page that says Monday, 9/21. I need y'all to pay attention because I don't like talking twice.
Isaiah, sit up.
Is this page right here?
Keep on your
Okay.
page.
Miss Adams, I don't have that paper.
Do your page say Monday?
Did you pick your
Miss Adams, I don't have that paper either.
Can you hold that
Did
paper up
you pick
again?
your math packet up? Did you pick your math packet up?
When was that?
Did you pick your math packet up?
I picked
So now we're going
everything.
to
Did you look on the back of another sheet?
medical. Now let's look at
It may be on the back of a sheet.
part of the
Paper up again so I can see it now.
people are injured. Mhm.
No, people know.
Can't see over there. No, you're not.
Look on the back of a sheet.
No,
I don't think I got
Oh,
that.
it is not.
So mine can't see the paper.
Look like that.
We're gonna help find.
Are you in your math packet?
I still can't find it. No, it's not.
Did you look on the back of a sheet? Because I
Yeah,
printed
it
them
said
front and
Monday.
back.
Get up.
Thank you, Fortune. So I know not C-R-A-Z-Y.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you hold that
Thank
paper
you,
up again? Because
Fortune.
I wasn't able to see the paper.
Pardon me?
We wasn't able to see the paper, and I'm trying to find the paper. in here.
Yeah, I didn't get
So hold it
that.
up again so we can find that paper.
I never went up there and got that math packet.
It's
Who
on the
said
back.
that?
It's on the back of the paper that got the thing on it. It's on the back.
Miss Fortune's mom showing you guys. She's holding it up. Thank you so much. I love this co-teaching. It's actually on the back of a page. The first page.
Oh, here it
Flip
is.
it over.
This
You
one?
should find it.
Give me an extra clip.
Ooh, I love y'all so much.
Yeah, this is it.
Give me
Where
six.
is my
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, because it say day one Monday.
I ain't say you come in here.
Monday, the 21st. Pick up the paper right here. I got my paper.
I can't see her board.
You should not be doing that to me.
Let me get your charger. Can you help me? Wait a minute.
I'm giving you opportunity. My board want to echo. So everybody getting the opportunity to get your page together. What your mom have shown you what it is, what it look like.
Get out.
Can I? Excuse me. Can I go pee real quick?
No. I gave you restroom break.
No.
No, you are not to move. Put your camera back on. All cameras on. Unless we had a conversation. All right, so on number 6, everybody look down to number 6. I'm gonna write number 6 on the board. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. Can y'all see the board on the other camera? No? Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. Now, number 6. It is M6, 7, 8, and 9. What is that roll call? Can somebody tell me what that roll is called? That's my what? That's my what? No, we're talking about function table. This is the function table. So that is my what? What part of the function table is that? M6, 7, 8, and 9. What part of the function table is that?
Multiplication.
No. You have 3 parts to a function table. You have input, the rule or the function, and you have output. What is M6, 7, 8, and 9?
Rule.
That's my what?
Rule.
Nope, that's not my rule. Good try though, Perry. Thank you for trying.
Output.
Nope, not my output. Good try.
Input.
No, there's nothing left but input. That's my input. This is what I'm putting in. This is going in. So that's an input. My 6 says 54.
Okay, so 205.
7 says 63. 8 doesn't have anything, and 9 says 81.
Thank you, Ms. Melissa.
What are those numbers? Those are called my what?
Output.
My outputs. These are going out. What's my rule? What's my function? Can somebody tell what's my function?
9.
Huh? Perry?
9.
What about 9? I told you function is what? I gotta have an operation with a function. What's the rule?
Multiplication.
Okay, put what you said together. Put it together.
Multiply 9.
Thank you. Thank you. Y'all got to come on. This is not 4th grade no more. I ain't gonna bite you. I promise you. So my rule of my function is times 9. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, baby. So if I want to write this as an equation, how would I write this? It would say M times 9 equals something.
Put times 9 inside the box on the paper.
Sir?
Put times 9 inside the box on the paper.
Yes, you can. That's my equation. My equation is M times 9 equals my output, whatever it is. So if I said M is 6, M stands for 7, M stands for 8, and M stands for 9. What goes here? What goes under 8?
72.
What goes under 8?
72.
72. Because 8 times 9, 8 times 9 is 72. 6 times 9, 54. 7 times 9, 63. 9 times 9, 81. Do y'all see that pattern? Talk to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. I'm gonna call you, Jonathan, next time we have math class. Me and you are gonna chill and have math class together. Because everybody else ain't talking. I don't know what you know until you open your mouth. If you don't know something, you gotta let me know. Raise your hand, something. So check this out.
81. 90.
If that's the pattern, 9 times 9 is that. What is the 100th? What's the 100th?
109.
Not 109. Good try though, Passion. What's the 100?
About 81 in the box.
Fortune, slide over to the speaker, baby. What you saying?
About 81, that's in the empty box. You talking about the answer?
What are you saying, Fortune? I said 100.
900.
I don't know who them fools are. All right, what you say, sweet potato? I hear you.
900.
900. Because 100 times 9 is 900. Do y'all see that?
Yes, ma'am.
I know you see it, Jonathan. I know. I know. So let's try another one. In case you didn't catch that one, we can throw another one at you, okay? Then throw another one at you. I am not drawing a straight line this time. Okay. I'm trying to write them a different color. So I'm going to number 7. Follow me on number 7. I have P, 4, 6, 10, 17. Can y'all see that? Nope, because I can't see it. Rewrite P, 4, 6, 10, 17. Now you can see it. Oh my God. Okay. So my output for 4 is what?
20.
Thank you. What's my output for 6? There's not one for 6. What's my output for 10?
50.
What's my output for 17?
85.
85. Very good. So, what's my rule? What's my rule?
Times 5.
Times 5. Let's see if you're right. P times 5 equals something. So 4 times 5 is 20. That's correct. 10 times 5 is 50. That's correct. 17 times 5, it is 85 because 5 times 7 is 35. Carry my 3. 5 times 1 is 5 plus the 3 I carry is 8. 85. So 6 times 5 is
30.
30. So it would be P times 5. So what is the 100?
500.
What's the 100?
500.
Would you say passion?
500.
500. 100 times 5 is 500. Very good. Great job. Great job. So, do I need to go on? Do I need to do another one?
No.
I need to do another one?
No.
Y'all pretty much understand it, right? Okay.
Yes.
So, you are going to do this to turn in today. Turn in today. You can't do it right now, but you're going to do it when we get off. You're going to do numbers 1 through 5 today. And you're going to wrap up later on this afternoon for homework, which means I want to see it on the 28th. I want to see it on 28th. Numbers 9 through 13. Okay, I'm going to repeat myself. For today, I want to see numbers 1 through 5. That means you're going to work it out and you're going to submit it. How am I submitting, Miss Adams? Take a picture. Everybody got a cell phone that take pictures, right?
Hold on, Miss Adams, hold on. Isaiah, you've written nothing down and she's telling you've got homework due 2 different parts. And whatever is on that TV beside you, turn it off, dude.
All right. So we have classwork that's due today, no later than 3 o'clock. Submit it to me, no later than 3 o'clock. Everybody with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We have Homework that's due on the 28th. I check that on the 28th. Numbers 9 through 13 will be checked on the 28th. Numbers 1 through 5 will be checked today. I'm checking for understanding in math. Are there any questions?
No.
No, ma'am.
Are there any questions? No. We have 30 minutes before 12 o'clock. So guess what? Take a quick 5 minute, no, 5 minutes is too long. Take a quick 3-minute break. 3-minute break. We're getting ready, transitioning over for science. 3-minute break. Let's go.
Anarchy. I use anarchy. When I fight, I make the other side panicky with my yo, I'm a tailor's apprentice, and I got sharp knuckleheads and local parentis. I'm joining a rebellion, cause I know it's my chance to socially advance. Instead of sewing some pants, I'm gon' take shit. And but we'll never be truly free until those in bondage have the same rights as you and me. You and I do or die. Wait till I sally in on a stallion with the first black battalion. Never know the geniuses. Lower your voices. You keep out of trouble and you double your choices. I'm with you, but the situation's fraught. You got to be carefully taught. If you talk, you're gonna get shot. Bird, check what we got. Mr. Lafayette, hard rock like Lancelot. I think your pants look hot. Lawrence, I like you a lot. Let's hatch a plot blacker than the kettle calling the pot. What are the odds of God to put us all in one spot? Pop to the squad and conventional wisdom like it or not. A bunch of revolutionary manumission abolitionists. Give me a position, show me where the ammunition is. Oh, am I talking too loud? Sometimes I get overexcited, shoot off in the mouth. I never had a group of friends before. I promise that I'll make y'all proud. Let's get this guy in front of a crowd. Just like my country and no strap. Rise up while you're living on your knees and rise up. Tell your brother that he's gotta rise up. Tell your sister that she's gotta rise up. When are these comedies gonna rise up? When are these schools gonna rise up? When are these neighborhoods gonna rise up? When are these countries gonna rise up? Rise up. I imagine death so much it feels more like a memory. When's it gonna get me? In my sleep, 7 feet ahead of me. If I see it coming, do I run or do I let it be? Is it like a beat without a melody? See, I never thought I'd live past 20. Where I come from, some get half as many. Ask anybody why we living fast and we laugh. Reach for a blast, we have to make this moment last. That's plenty, scratch that. This is not a moment, it's the movement. Where all the hungriest brothers with something to prove went. Foes oppose us, we take an honest stand. Roll like Moses, claiming our promised land. And we win our independence. That a guarantee of freedom for our descendants. But with the blood we shed, begin an endless cycle of vengeance and death with no defendants. I know the action in the street is exciting, but Jesus, between all the bleeding and fighting, I've been reading and writing. We need to handle our financial situation. Are we a nation of states? What's the state of our nation? I'm past patiently waiting, I'm passionate and smashing every expectation, every action, an act of creation. I'm laughing in the face of casualties and sorrow. For the first time I'm thinking past tomorrow.
Come on, Holland. Thank you. Let me see here. DeMarcus, back on the screen, baby. I need to see here. All right, coming back. We are back on 1. DeMarcus on 2. Break is over on 3. 4 and 5. Very good. Break over. We are back. We are back in science. Before I start science, I would like to give you a little tutorial. You must pay attention to the screen. You must stop me if I go too fast. You must ask questions. Everybody understand what I'm saying? Thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you understand what I'm saying. Give me a thumbs up if you understand what I'm saying. Because I am going over, thank you very much, great. I'm going over Schoology. To find my work, you must go into Schoology. Repeat after me. To find Miss Adams' work,
You must
go into Schoology. Thank you, Passion. To find Miss Adams' work, I must go into Schoology. Some work, Isaiah, get together. Some work I'm going to have to turn in. And I'm going to have to turn it into Schoology. Everybody understand what I'm saying, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, baby. I'm moving on. So, woohoo, here we go. Here we go. On your computer, on your device, you're going to have to download this thing called Kami, K-A-M-I. And you're going to have to add it on your Chrome as an extension. Okay? But we'll get to that in a minute. Class announcements. Everybody, when you get into Schoology, do you see this little picture right here? It's called a Bitmoji Virtual Classroom. This is actually a workable, clickable classroom. For those that have not seen it, I'm going to enlarge so you can see. This is a workable, clickable classroom. This board, whiteboard, will have a message on it when you come in. Tomorrow message will change because this message is for today. Okay, so in our classroom, today I'm going to show you around again.
Excuse me,
yes,
Miss Adam.
yes.
What is my code for Schoology?
Jamarcus, I'm going to have to send that to you, okay, sweetheart?
Miss Adams,
Thank you, baby. Yes, Passion.
I also need my code too.
Passion, your code is in your first packet that was given to you on the 17th or whatever day, the 3rd, the 31st, 3rd, when you got that first packet, it was a little card in there. I don't know. Yeah, Passion, that's it. That's it, Passion. Yep. All right, so, but Jamarcus, I got you, babe. We're gonna get you. I think they're working on your code. Anyone new to the system, they're working on your code. Okay.
We just got an email that the codes are in, so we'll be getting them out later today. Jamarcus, you need to look for information. We'll be sending it to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. In here, we're not gonna worry about the textbooks just yet because I have not assigned you a textbook page per se. That's coming on the 28th. I'm trying to prepare you mentally for the 28th. This Kami, that gonna get you to where you do your assignments. This file cabinet is your YouTube channels. YouTube videos will be in there that I upload to help you. So when you have questions, before you ask a question, because I or myself or Ms. Darby is gonna tell you, have you checked Schoology? That's what we're gonna say. Have you checked Schoology? Then you said yes, okay. If you check Schoology, have you checked YouTube? Have you checked YouTube? This video here is on YouTube. If you see in the corner there, it says live, YouTube live, or live on YouTube. We are going live on YouTube. My teaching is live on YouTube, so I don't have to upload videos later in life. Sir.
What's the YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel is Panther Nation. Look on this front sheet of your packet, and it's right there on your front sheet of your packet. But it's Panther Nation. STEAM, that is STEAM ahead, that is for science. You look for the finger to change. If I go up, that's an arrow. If I go down, there's a finger. When I see the finger, I click. It is loading.
Wait till I get to school.
All right, here it is. This is my science. You are now in your virtual science class. You are now in your virtual science class. You see the board? It has instructions on it. Today's agenda, setting up computer for access. We're going to explore Schoology, vocabulary placed in the notebook, and watching
Laptop.
video. We're getting ready for our lab today to set up our lab. If I need to go to my math class, you see this image over here, this little rope that's moving. Y'all see the rope that's moving in the left bottom corner?
Yes.
Very good, thank you.
Yeah.
I'll click that. If it allow me to. Click, thank you. I'll get on it and I'll click and look what it does. It take me to my math class. Today's agenda, vocabulary, create your own pattern, function machine game, function table activity, practice and homework. We have did all of those except for practice and homework. That's coming, and you got instructions for that. But inside I have links to different places that I need to go. My book is also in here, Zoom is in here, and YouTube videos are over there. Cami is there. Are there any questions? Any questions?
No.
No,
All
ma'am.
right,
No, ma'am.
Very good. I'm going back to.
No, ma'am.
Very good, thank you. I'm going back to my home page. I'm here, and now I am going back to Schoology. Scroll down in Schoology, you'll find it says science class, math class. Science class, you shall find your daily assignments in this folder. If you want to know what your assignment is for that day, excuse me, for science, click on it. And I have folders for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. What's today?
Monday.
Thank you. Today is Monday. I click on Monday. What do I have in my folder for today? I have this in my folder. I have a scientific method in my folder. And this one's not here yet. So I am going to click on my science lab. Everybody pay attention. Pay attention. If you don't hear it, let me know. If you hear it, good, let's pay attention.
I can't hear it. Yeah, I can't either.
You can't hear it?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I can't
Okay.
hear it.
Oh, all right, hold on. I am going to do something so you can hear it. Okay, that's it. Hold on. Hold on, let me make sure that everybody can hear. I want to mute. I want speaker, same system. Okay. So I want you to be able to hear what I hear. Share screen. Yeah, whatever. Try it now. Can y'all hear it?
Yeah. No. No.
Can anybody hear it?
No. No, ma'am.
You can't, nobody can hear that.
No.
No, ma'am.
Oh, Pooh.
Ma'am.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. I am about to do something else. Yes, camera. Microphone, same as this.
You need to put your bra in the wash.
Ooh, June. I'm gonna try it again, see do y'all hear it. Can y'all hear it?
Okay, in your lab, you will be provided a paper bag and a pencil. You must add.
Were you able to hear it?
A little bit. A little
Turn your
bit.
volume up, cause my volume is up.
Miss
My
Adams,
volume.
I can hear it.
You, who said that? Fortune?
Yes.
You can hear it? Okay, y'all gotta turn your volumes up.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
And wax paper to your lab. And these are the quick directions video on how to get started with your lab.
Mm-mm.
It post the mode.
I already did.
Miss Adams,
It's the bread one that you put leave for 5 days.
I did that.
Mine only have 1 day.
I had 3.
Mine got 3 days.
I only got 1 day.
That's tough.
That's tough.
Use all 5 senses, but I don't want you to taste the bread. I wouldn't advise on tasting it. But you can use the other one.
Okay.
Let me know how it comes out.
Okay, so that was the directions to your science lab. Some of you have heard you. I was overhearing your conversation. You were saying, hey, I got that. I started. If you started before today, yay, you. Top scholar. Very good, because that means by Friday, you're going to be on point, ready to do what you need to do. Don't do that, Passion. That's a no-no. So if you need to go back to this video, it's in Schoology. If you need to go back, it's in Schoology. Everybody understand? Sir?
Do I go on Zoom every day the same time?
No, baby. We're going to talk about that before I get off.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So in Schoology, look what you have to do. It says you will need to complete this form on Schoology and submit it from Schoology. Go and rewatch the videos on how to submit work. There's a folder in Schoology with videos that say videos for students and parents. Inside that video, inside that folder is a video on how to submit work in Schoology. Go back and watch it to teach yourself or familiarize yourself. You will click on this. Do you see this right here? It says open assignment with Cami. Does everybody see that?
Yes.
Okay. This is where you will open your assignment. And here we go. Pick your drive.
Miss Adams,
Yes.
I keep clicking the screen because I keep thinking it's popping up on my
No, it's not gonna pop on your screen, babe. All right, so in here, I will click where it says text box with the T. I don't care really what color you use. Your name should go here. And you just type your name. Then you click here. The day's date, 9/21/2020. Oh, I keep doing it every time. 2020. What would be my question for this lab of the freshest bread? What would be my question?
Is it on a mold?
You're gonna have to do your question. Your question, you come up, I can't give you the answer because it's your work. Do your question, then your hypothesis. Now, the first 2 weeks of school, we talked about scientific method, and we talked about what was a hypothesis. It discussed to you what a hypothesis is, because actually scientific method is nothing but a review or refresher. You should know what a hypothesis is. A guess, an educated guess. What is a hypothesis?
Educated guess.
An educated guess. You have a question. Now I need to guess what the answer going to be. And I type that in there. You'll type what your materials were. What did you use? What materials did you use? Then you will type what your procedure was. If you on day 1, that's today. Somebody might be on day 3. I don't know. If they started Thursday, I don't know what day you may be on. But day 1, what did you observe? On day 1, what did you observe? When we observe things, a scientist observe things. What are those? Come on, guys. What are our 5 senses?
Hearing,
Hearing,
smelling,
smelling, touching,
Sight.
seeing,
tasting.
and tasting. We're not going to taste. Please do not taste anything in science unless you're given permission to. Okay? We're not tasting.
Yes,
But I'm
ma'am.
typing in what day 1, what did I observe on day 1? And then your conclusion, you can,
Nothing.
You should observe something on day 1.
The bread.
Okay, what you gotta tell what about the bread?
Oh, yes.
Then you save this sheet. You
It
save
got
this
mine's
sheet.
real hard because the bread was soft and it down and it was hard.
I don't want to know. I want to know, but thank you. No, I don't want to know. Type in your day 1 observation. Day 3, when day 3 comes, you go in and write in your day 3. Then you go in and write in your day 5. And on day 5, you're going to write your conclusion.
I'm gonna do.
Now, understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Wow.
Once you go in and you finish, you see this button that says turn in right here.
Yes, ma'am.
You'll click turn in.
The button right here.
You're clicking, yours doesn't have it?
Yeah, she said to type it in.
Okay, you'll do turn in. So that is one of your assignments for today. Do I do it now? Yeah, no, probably not. Cause I'm trying to get you into. Okay, everybody, mute yourself, please, and thank you. Okay, so we have vocabulary today. Your vocabulary, look for the video on Schoology. Actually, look for the assignment in your folder on Schoology later on today for your vocabulary, so you can add into your notebook. Are there any questions about science class today?
No, ma'am.
Oh.
Because we didn't did our 2 hours.
No.
No. Okay.
No, ma'am.
before I leave, if you have a question for me, go into this envelope and click it and send me a message. But before I leave, let me say thank you first. Thank you for coming, joining in and taking initiative for your learning. Please understand, some of you guys will be coming in as blended learning. Some of your parents elected for you to be at home virtual learning. Virtual learners, if you are a virtual learner from the house, and basically all of you are, because the days that you're not in school, you are online. Just like I'm live shooting this in YouTube, it will be live shot in YouTube when I teach on the days you're not here. Wednesday, it won't be live, but you will know. How would I know, Miss Adams? You will know what to do every day when you get in Schoology and you say, I'm here in Schoology. You say, I'm present in Schoology. You look on the board, your instructions for that day will be on the board. Everybody understand what I'm saying? Everybody understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Your instructions for the day will be on the board. So from this point on, I want you to go into Schoology and send a notification to myself or Ms. Darby saying I'm present. When you do that, that's verification, and that's holding your feet to the fire and holding my feet to the fire, that this board is going to change at some point, and you're going to see your instructions for the day. Yes.
You said download Cammy?
Yes. Okay. So I'm also going to put the directions for downloading Cammy on Schoology. Okay. So you won't get confused on how to do that.
You know,
Okay.
not download the work?
Yes, Cammy.
Yeah.
If we are finished on my end, just know vocabulary will be in your notebook. It will be on Schoology in the folder. Start doing your lab. I will not be on tomorrow to teach per se live, but I will do a video. I will do a YouTube video. Don't do that, Holland. I will do a YouTube video on tomorrow for any instructions that we have. But the live instruction, I think, is coming from Ms. Darby tomorrow. And if Ms. Darby can come in and prep y'all for tomorrow. Ms. Adams is done. Thank you so much for your time. and your-
Yes, tomorrow we need to have our ELA. You need to have your reading. You need to have your English language materials with you. I don't need anybody sitting in front of a TV with the door blocked with a chair so that nobody can get in. I need you sitting at a desk where you can be watching what's going on that I'm doing. Because when you get here next Monday, we're not going back and covering what's been going on since September 3rd. We're just going to kind of keep on going with what we should be doing with what you should have been doing. And sitting and watching TV while math and science has been going on, and that's not what you're supposed to be doing. And yes, we can tell you've been doing that. So tomorrow you will get a Zoom invite. Guys, it's going to be on Schoology. It's going to be on Class Tag. So in the morning, please don't send a message going, are we going to have Zoom today? That message is going to come out here in just a little bit. You should have everything ready in the morning. That means a book. You should start a book today to be starting a reading log. So I need to see a book.
What time is that meeting?
We will have it at 10 o'clock. We'll do it at the same time.
Okay.
10 o'clock. Does
Thank you.
anybody have a question with that? You have day by day homework of what you're supposed to be doing. You should have everything there with you. Isaiah, did you have a question? Anybody have a question? That's all I got. We should see you in the morning.
Okay, guys, you have your assignments. You know what I'm looking for today. I'm looking for 1 through 5 for your math by 3 o'clock today. Submit it to me. And hey, Yatsin. And other than that, see y'all tomorrow.
See
Have a
y'all
great
tomorrow.
day.
Bye.
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 Have a good day. See you tomorrow.
Thank you. You too, darling.
Bye.
Bye-bye.